We're exploring a fantastic feature on WhatsApp that boosts your chat security, the fingerprint lock. Want to keep your conversations safe and sound? Keep watching to find out how to set it up. First things first, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. You can check this by going to your App Store and looking for updates. Now let's jump into the steps. Open up your WhatsApp app. Once you're in, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. Scroll down until you see App Lock. Tap on it to proceed. Now you'll see the option to enable the fingerprint lock. Toggle it on. WhatsApp will ask you to authenticate using your fingerprint. Make sure your finger is properly registered on your device. Once your fingerprint is authenticated, you can choose how soon the app should lock after you exit, immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. And that's it. Your WhatsApp is now protected with a fingerprint lock. Every time you open the app, you'll need to scan your fingerprint to access your messages. Remember, this adds an extra layer of security, but it's always a good idea to keep your device secure with a strong password and other security measures. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.